Welcome to Infinity with VJ. Let us move further. The questions, we have to find a quadratic polynomial when they have given the sum of zeros and product of zeros of the given polynomial. We have given 0, 5. So let ax square plus bx plus c be the given polynomial, be the quadratic polynomial, and alpha and beta, alpha comma beta be the zeros of the given polynomial. We have to find the what are the quadratic polynomial. Okay, zeros of the polynomial. Okay, so they have given the sum of zeros. The sum of zeros is equal to alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b by a. Minus b means the coefficient of x and a means the coefficient of x square. Alpha plus beta they have given, that is 0, is equal to minus b by a. Okay, then they have given the product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta also they have given, that is root 5. Root 5 is equal to c by a. We have to find the polynomial. If a is equal to 1. If a becomes 1 in this equation, when we put a is equal to 1, then minus b by 1 is equal to 0, which is equal to b is equal to 0. We got b also. Okay, when we put a is equal to 1 here, then c by 1 is equal to root 5, which implies c is equal to root 5. When a becomes 1, then b becomes 0 and c is equal to root 5. Therefore, the quadratic polynomial, the given quadratic polynomial will become ax square bx plus c, right? We have took the form, correct? So we will put that a means here 1 x square plus bx, b we got, what is that, 0x, plus c means 5, correct? Or we can write simply x square plus root 5. This is the given quadratic polynomial. Next question, minus 1 by 4, 1 by 4. Again, let us take, let ax square plus bx plus c is be the given polynomial, and alpha comma beta are the zeros of the polynomial. I will write it as p of x. Okay. Here sum of zeros which is equal to alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Alpha plus beta they have given, what is that, minus 1 by 4, which is equal to minus b by a. Then the product of zeros, alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta means 1 by 4. They have given this product of zeros is equal to c by a. Now we have to construct the given for the given zeros of the polynomial. We have to make the quadratic polynomial. Okay, if a is equal to 1, then what will happen? Okay, if a is equal to 1 in this equation, the sum of zeros, a is equal to 1, then what will happen? Minus b by a divided by 1, which is equal to minus 1 by 4. On both sides minus is present, therefore it can't cancel, and which implies b is equal to 1 by 4. Again here, if we put a is equal to 1 here, then c by 1 is equal to 1 by 4, which implies c is equal to 1 by 4. So If A is equal to 1, then B is equal to 1 by 4 and C is equal to 1 by 4. We got here. So the given quadratic polynomial, therefore the quadratic polynomial is nothing but x square plus bx plus c, correct? So a means here 1, x square, I will not write that 1, x square plus bx plus b means 1 by 4, x plus c means again 1 by 4. This is the given polynomial. Or you can simplify on multiplying 4 to this, because in denominator on both in the place of b and in the place of c, 1 by 4 is present, 4 is present, correct? So we will multiply that 4 to cancel this denominator, or then we can write 4x square plus x plus 1, or you can stop here only. Okay. Next question, 4 comma 1. Again, in the same way, first we will write let ax square plus bx plus c be the given polynomial, and alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial. Then the sum of zeros, I will not all write all that, I will directly write the sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a means again you have to write here only sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, which is equal to minus the coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. I will skip all that. Alpha plus beta means the sum of zeros, that is 4 is equal, they have given 4 minus b by a, and the product of zeros alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Alpha into beta they have given, that is 1 is equal to c by a. We will move same way. If a is equal to 1, then this sum of zeros is equal to 1, then minus b by 1 is equal to 4, or it implies b is equal to this 4 into 1, that is 4, minus will comes to RHS, becomes it will minus only, minus 4, b is minus 4. Then if a is equal to 1, then c by 1 is equal to 1, which implies c is equal to 1. If a is equal to 1, then b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. So therefore the quadratic polynomial will be x square plus bx plus c. A means here 1, 1x square plus bx, b means minus 4 bx plus c means plus 1. We got c, that is 1. Okay. So I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you for watching.